In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel your SimilarWeb subscription and make sure that you will not be billed again. To do this, simply go and sign in to SimilarWeb, and then after signing in, you want to go to Settings and Help in the bottom left, and then from there, go and click on Account. Then from within your account, you then want to go to the account dropdown right here and click on Subscription. And now from here you can manage your subscription so you can see when you will be billed again, so your upcoming bills, and more importantly from here you can also cancel your plan. So go and click cancel plan if you want to cancel. And then you can see in my case I still have 7 more days to enjoy my free trial, but I just want to cancel, so I'll just click cancel anyway. For you, you may not be in free trial anymore, so then it won't show this. Just gonna click cancel anyway, and then again cancel anyway. Then from there they will ask why you want to cancel. For example, I don't use it enough. It doesn't really matter what you enter here. Then click confirm cancellation. And then it will say your subscription has been cancelled. Thank you for trying SimilarWeb. Since you cancelled your subscription before the billing period, you won't be charged. Now you can add feedback if you want and then click submit and close. And now you will have cancelled your SimilarWeb subscription and you should not be billed again. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.